Imagine this: humans living on Mars, rockets launching every day, and cities in space. Who's going to make that happen first, NASA or SpaceX? The battle to rule the future of space has already begun, and the stakes have never been higher. Let's dive into the space race that could change everything. NASA, the legacy of space exploration. NASA, the OG of space exploration, has led the charge since 1958. They were the first to land humans on the moon, send robots to Mars, and even have spacecraft that left our solar system. Sounds unbeatable, right? But NASA's not just about the past, they're working on the future too. Their Artemis program is set to send humans back to the moon in 2025, but with a twist. They plan to build the first ever lunar base. Consider it a space outpost where astronauts will learn to live off Earth, preparing for the ultimate prize, Mars. Here's something wild. NASA's been operating for over 60 years, but their Voyager 1 spacecraft launched in 1977 is still sending back data. It's now over 14 billion miles from Earth, the farthest any man-made object has ever traveled. SpaceX, the bold new challenger. Enter SpaceX, the rebellious newcomer changing the game. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX didn't just join the space race, they're rewriting the rules. Their Falcon 9 rockets are reusable, which slashes costs and speeds up missions. Musk's ultimate goal? To build cities on Mars where millions of humans can live. In 2023, SpaceX launched Starship, the largest and most powerful rocket ever made. This beast isn't just built for small trips, it's designed to colonize Mars. And the crazy part, SpaceX could put the first humans on Mars by 2029. Did you know? SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket is so reusable that it can launch, land, and relaunch in just weeks. That's like turning a rocket into a space shuttle. NASA versus SpaceX, a comparison. So, who's winning? Let's compare these two space titans. NASA is all about precision and caution, spending years on perfecting missions. SpaceX? They're about speed, failing fast, and improving faster. In 2023 alone, SpaceX launched 96 rockets. NASA takes years to develop a single mission. NASA's moon landing program 1969, $25.4 billion. SpaceX Starship launched 2023, $67 million. SpaceX can launch an entire mission for less than 3% of the cost of NASA's moon landing program. The race to Mars. But the real prize isn't just the moon, it's Mars. NASA is taking a slow and steady approach, using the moon as a testing ground. They plan to have astronauts on Mars in the late 2030s. But SpaceX? They're sprinting toward the red planet. Elon Musk predicts humans will walk on Mars by 2029. That's less than 5 years away. But why everyone wants to go to Mars? For Musk, it's about survival. He believes Earth won't last forever, so building a colony on Mars is Plan B for humanity. And guess what? He's already building rockets to make that happen. Why this matters for you? Because space exploration is no longer just for astronauts. NASA and SpaceX are looking for you. Whether you're interested in engineering, science, design, coding, or even art, space needs brilliant minds from all fields. SpaceX is hiring thousands of engineers, and NASA works with students around the world on space research. This is your time to get involved. Here's something cool. SpaceX plans to build the first Mars University by 2050. Imagine being part of a generation that studies, works, and lives on another planet. The future is now. So, who's going to win the space race? Will NASA's experience keep them on top, or will SpaceX's rapid innovation lead us to the stars faster? And here's the best part. The next chapter in space exploration could involve you. Are you excited about the future of space? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think will win the space race? And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing updates on space exploration, technology, and science that'll shape our world and beyond. Like and share the video. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.